Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! If you've been tinkering around with your Orbital sander and want to unlock its full potential, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the best settings to use for different projects. Ready? Let's jump in. First off, let's talk about speed settings. Most Orbital sanders come with variable speed controls, typically ranging from 4,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. For delicate projects like sanding between coats of finish, you'll want to stick to the lower settings, around 4,000 to 6,000. This gives you a smooth, controlled finish without oversanding. Now, if you're dealing with rougher surfaces or need to remove old paint, crank it up to the higher speeds like 10,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. This allows the sander to work more aggressively, saving you time and effort. Next, let's talk about sandpaper grit. For initial rough sanding, start with a coarse grit like 60 or 80. This takes off material quickly. As you progress, switch to a medium grit like 120, and finally finish off with a fine grit like 220 for a smooth surface. Another pro tip, always keep the sander moving. Holding it in one spot can create uneven surfaces or burn marks. Use light pressure, let the sander do the work, don't force it. And don't forget, always empty the dust bag, or use a vacuum attachment. This keeps your workspace clean and ensures your sander performs at its best. One last thing, for those tricky corners and edges, consider using a detail sander or sanding sponge for a perfect finish. There you have it. With these settings and tips, you'll be sanding like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep creating. See you in the next